turbo it. My guy said turbo it. You want me to turbo a 7.3 liter pushrod V8 that already makes 665 horsepower? I'm just checking, I'm already on board. But what's up guys, my name is Jordan from Monster Motoring, and I swap engines from automation to Assetto Corsa as well as in real life. In our last video, we swapped this GODZILLA motor into a S650 Mustang, and the thing absolutely just ripped. Obviously that wasn't enough, so I think we might have to add a single turbo onto it and see how that thing performs. Obviously we have our linear torque curve, we don't want to change that. Yeah, of course we want to change that. We're gonna add a turbo. So we made the turbo the max amount of size. I won't show it to you until then, but we're just gonna increase the boost and see if this thing surpasses what we think it will. I can already see it getting choked, and that's what was bottlenecking our horsepower. I see it now. 1321 horsepower, which is I think more than enough for right now. I wasn't expecting this thing to make anywhere near this on pump gas. Let's take a look at that turbo, because this is a 7.3 liter once again, and that turbo is easily as big as this. So let's see how this thing does in the S650. All right, so once again we have the S650 here now with the single turbo GODZILLA motor, and this thing is looking too menacing for me. The turbo is turboing away inside there. I'm scared. Don't forget to follow, like, and share this video. Let's all just remember this thing is pushing a lot of horsepower. I'm just scared to hit the gas. All right, let's do it. Oh my god, it's like an on and off switch. It's not terrible in fourth. Oh my god. So we're still gearing limited to 214 here. I didn't change the gearing because I was scared. What? The thing is stable. What even? And that's 214 right there. And I hope you guys recognize this track, because this thing's like grandfather was the king of this track. The thing's just sitting so nice. Alright, no, we got to take some corners on this thing. You know what the issue is? Most of the other modes that we do aren't as big bore as this thing. It spools up the turbo immediately. Like I said, spools it up immediately. And it hooks in fifth. Like dead hooks in fifth. It just the thing's it's a little bit fast. The rest of the car can't really keep up. But that's not really an issue. More of an issue is if I can keep up with the car. Which it's looking like I can't, because I don't even have any brakes. I have no brakes. It's right there. It's right there. It's, yeah. Yep. Would have been total. Thankfully, this isn't every car meet known to man, so Mustang can't do harm to me. I don't even... I'm trying to let it eat, and it's just... Oh. Forgot about this part. Oh, wow. The thing just... Oh, wow. Okay. It just... Straight through fourth. Hooks in fifth every time. For some reason. The thing is... It's about to hit 200 just on the... This isn't gonna go... Nope.